Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel North Coding. Today we are going to learn an important topic in Excel, that is statistical function in Excel. This function helps us to analyze data like total sales amount of each state, total amount of sales each state wise, and the total count of quantity sell each state wise, average sales of each state wise. What is statistical function? Statistical functions are used to analyze numerical data. Numerical data means these are numerical data and these are string data. Summarize large data. This summarize large data and make report easily. Today learn three important functions. First one is SUMIF. You should calculate the total amount of sale each state wise, then equal to SUMIF function, because SUMIF function is used to add the value based on condition. SUMIF. Here it is SUMIF, and click on tab button. These are three arguments in the SUMIF function. One is criteria, and then is first one is range, then criteria, and third one is summary. What is range? Range where you look, and then criteria. Criteria what you want, and then sum of range. Summarize. Summarize what you calculate. It means the sales amount. I need to calculate each state wise. So first select the state column, Control Shift down arrow, and Control copy, and Control backspace, and then paste here, Control plus B, and then go to Data tab. Here it is to remove duplicate. Click on this. Expand with selection and continue with current selection. I need to continue with current selection. My data has no header. We will select down the column set. Yeah. 995 duplicate value for remove. 5 is remaining. My question is total amount of sale each state wise. So I call function name is SUMIF. Here it is SUMIF. Click on tab button, and the range. Range where you look. We look state column. So that select the state column and Control Shift down arrow, then Control backspace, and then criteria. Criteria means what you want. I want Maharashtra state. That's why I select the Maharashtra state, and then summarize. Summarize means what you want to calculate. What you calculate. Summarize means calculate. What you want to calculate. What you calculate. So I need to calculate the sales amount. So click on the sales amount set, Control Shift down arrow, then Control backspace, bracket close. Then I need to fix the range of Then F4 button, and you don't need to fix a range because either after Maharashtra, then you will select Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, then Gujarat, and then Delhi. So we don't fix to range criteria. Sorry, we don't fix to criteria. Then you fix song range. Click on F4. Hit the enter. Here it is. This is a magical. And this is a drop down list. Double click on it. Maharashtra state is 57609491 and Tamil Nadu 564395517 and then Karnataka 56143922 and it's been criteria. Sorry, range. A range is what you look. We look state color because we need the value of state wise set. So state color is for range and criteria. Criteria state color, which state we want to choose. So I need to choose Maharashtra. Basically, range means criteria means what you want. I want Maharashtra. Then sum of range. What you calculate. I need to calculate the sales amount. Hit the enter. Here it is. And count it. Second question is total count of sales each state wise. How to get total count of sales? Call for the COUNTIF function. Here is COUNTIF and click on tab button. And first argument is range. I told you before, a range is where you look and look state color. Select enter with color. Enter with color. Control shift down arrow, then backspace. And then criteria. Criteria is what? Criteria is what you want. I want Maharashtra. Sorry, I want Maharashtra. Then bracket close. Hit the enter. 207. Total count of Maharashtra is count of 207. Quantity. That is quantity. Total count of quantity. This is 207 of Maharashtra state. And then average. Average is basically the sales of each state wise. Average sales of each state wise. So call the average function AV. Just type in AV. Average. Click on tab button. There are three arguments. One is range, second one is criteria, third one is average. Same. Range means what you look. I look state color, so I select the state color. Control shift down arrow. Control backspace. And then criteria. Criteria is Maharashtra. Criteria means what you want. I want to average of Maharashtra. So I select Maharashtra. Average rents. What to calculate? I need to calculate sales amount. So I select the sales amount, control shift down here, control backspace, then bracket close. In good practice, you need to fix the range. So click on F for button. Sorry, click on F for button. And criteria do not want to fix because it will changeable. Like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, Gujarat, and Delhi. So it is not fixed to criteria, but you need fixed to average. Fix it. Then click the enter. Yeah, here it is. Average sales state wise.